How to change your Upscrolled username. Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to change your username on the Upscrolled app. It only takes a minute, so let's get started. First, open the Upscrolled app and make sure you're logged into your account. Tap on your profile icon, usually located at the bottom of the screen. Once you're on your profile page, tap on Settings. Here, tap on Account Center. Then tap on Handle. Delete your current username and type in a new one. If the username is available, you will be able to continue. If not, try adding numbers or underscores. Once you're happy with your new username, tap Save to update it. And that's it. Your username has successfully been changed on the Upscrolled. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe and comment below for more easy app tutorials. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.